Years ago, in a beautiful land, lived curious creatures, both clever and grand. Among them, an elephant focused on unity, wanted to pitch in and build a community. After playing, exploring, and grazing all day, the elephant knew they'd need somewhere to stay. Then the idea of ideas jumped into his head. If we cannot find it, we'll build it instead. He set off at once, not a moment to lose. He and his family built homes with great views, planning, then framing, then painting and decor. There's nothing like opening a brand new front door. The kingdom agreed, building even more for every creature and beauty that life had in store. Before they were done, and all set in stone, the elephant smiled. He wasn't alone. A 3-car garage for a luxurious jag. Don't forget the parks to make tails wag. Built with a pool or headroom to spare, and even a place for the polar bear. No longer just thinking of how to survive, the astonished animals had found how to thrive. The young would grow old and have young of their own. They would all reap what today had been sown. Come fin, fur, whisker, or feather, the animals learned they could build it together. Ivory Homes, growing and changing with Utah.